Happy Tutorial Tuesday! This week is going to be all about money mule scams. With this type of scam, fraudsters will try to use you to transfer illegal money to another party. They use a number of different tactics to try and trick you, so be on the lookout. Take a look at this short video sponsored by the American Bankers Association on money mule scams.
With money mule scams, criminals try to use you as their bank to transfer their illegally acquired money. They want you to use your bank account to receive a transfer or deposit, and then send some or all of that money to someone else. Their goal is to make it difficult for law enforcement to trace their money trail. Often, they ask you to send cash, checks, cryptocurrency, gift cards, mobile payments, or wire transfers. Scammers may try to involve you through a variety of ways, including online job ads, dating websites, or alleged investment opportunities. They may promise you easy money or ask you for a favor. Don't do it. Never use your bank account or open a new one in your name to transfer money for someone else, even if they send you money first. Never trust a potential employer who requires you to pay them some of your wages. And never respond to people who call, email, or text and ask you to transfer money for them. Acting as a money mule is a crime, even if you aren't aware you're assisting a criminal. If you or someone you know has been targeted, tell your bank and law enforcement and report it to the FTC.
Thank you so much for watching. Next week, I'll continue Cybersecurity Awareness Month with information on lottery scams and how to spot them. Remember, if you believe you have been targeted by a scam, contact your bank, law enforcement, and report it to the FTC at reportfraud.ftc.gov.